How to use to WhatsApp and Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use two different WhatsApp in Android device. Now either you want to do it on Android or iPhone, the process is similar, so let me guide it through. Now after the latest update, you'll be able to easily switch in between your accounts in WhatsApp, so you can use two different accounts in WhatsApp. Now how you can do so, you can simply open up WhatsApp. Now, as you can see here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the three dots option at the top right, and you can see the switch account option. Now, since I've already added another account, so it's showing me this option. In your case, you won't have this account, so you can simply tap on settings, and then you can tap on the account option, and then here, instead of remove account option that you can see above delete account, you'll get the add account option. You can simply tap on add account, and then it'll take you through certain prompts, enter in your phone number, verify the verification code, and then you'll be able to log into two different accounts. And now you can simply tap on three dots option there and then tap on switch account, and you'll be able to switch in between your accounts. So this way you can use two different WhatsApp account in Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.